In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use undedicated mode, or referred to as flex vat. To cook in the vat, depending on which side you want to cook in, simply tap the cook icon, and then you'll see your products available below. We'll simply tap the icon, and then that will automatically start the timer after we've dropped our product and we can begin cooking. At the end of the cook cycle, after we acknowledge the timer that it's finished cooking, the screen will then go back to normal and we will have to tap the cook icon and select a product again to be able to start another cook cycle. And you can see how this is different compared to dedicated mode, where each time we will have to select that cook and then select our product to cook again. And this is how you would use undedicated mode, or called flex vat, compared to dedicated mode, where we would just simply press the timer again and restart the same cook cycle. So this gives you the flexibility to decide whether dedicated mode is right for you, or if you're using undedicated mode or flex vat.